Hey everyone, welcome to SarteK programming. Today we will be seeing the sixth question of this series in which I will be covering previous year TCS NQT and Ninja coding questions. This is the sixth video of this playlist. If you haven't checked out the first five videos, do check them out. Now let's read the question. A party has been organized on cruise. The party is organized for a limited time. The number of guests entering and leaving the party at every hour is represented as elements of the array. The task is to find the maximum number of guests present on the cruise at any given instance within n hours. So the party is going on for n hours. So this n represents the duration of party in hours, and then there are two arrays given. The first array tells us how many people entered the party during particular hour, and the second array tells us how many people left the party during that particular hour. So for instance, during the uh, 0th hour, 7 people entered the party and 1 person left. During the first hour, 0% entered the party and 2 people left. 5 people entered the party during second hour and 1 person left. 1 person entered the party during third hour and 3 people left. And then during the fourth hour, that is the last hour, 3 people entered and 4 people left. Okay, so this is what we are given. What we need to print is the maximum number of guests on cruise at an instance. So what was the maximum number of people that were there in the party at a particular instance? Okay, so this is what we need to print. You can try this question on your own, think of a logic, and then you can watch my solution. Okay, now let's see the solution. Okay, so this is the solution. First we will take an integer as an input and store its value in the variable n. This n denotes the number of hours for which the party lasts. Then we will initialize two lists, that is arrays. The first array will tell how many people entered and the second array will tell how many people left. With the help of these three lines, we will first the element we will fill the elements in this entered array, and with the help of these three lines we will fill the left array. Then we will declare two variables, current count and max count, and initialize them with 0. Then our actual implementation starts. So we will loop from 0 to 4 for 5 iterations, because party lasts for 5 hours. So during the 0th iteration, what we will do is we will add the value of current count and then the entered, and we will subtract the value of left. Why will we do it? Let's see. So first, value of current count is 0, so we won't add anything. Then we need to add the entered. So during the 0th iteration, 7 people entered, so we will add 7 people in the party. So 7 people entered the party, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 people are there inside the party now, and 1 person left. Okay, so now there are 6 people. 6 people are there in the party. So now our current count will change to 6. Okay, and then we will check if the current count is greater than the maximum count, which is true because current count is 6 and maximum count is 0. So now we will our max count will also be get updated to 6. Then during the then we will come again for for the first iteration, like for value of I equals to 1, and then now you can clearly understand why we kept current count here, because see, people who are there in the party will stay in the party, right? These 6 people are still there in the party during the first iteration. So if we just do entered minus left, it will be wrong, because these people never left. These 6 people are still in there, so we need to add this. So these 6 people are there. Okay, and then there are people who entered again, but during first iteration no person entered, so this 6 will persist, so there will be 6 people again. But now uh, 2 people left, right? So 2 people will left the party. So now our current count is 4, right? Because there are only 4 people inside the party. Now 2 people have left during the first hour, and this maximum count and now we will check if current count is greater than maximum count. Is it greater than maximum count? No, it is not. So we will not update it. So our maximum count stays 6 and our current count stays 4. Now during the third iteration, that is for the value of I equals to 2, we will come again and we will add current count. So current count is 4, then we will add entered. So now 5 people entered. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 4 were already there and 5 people entered again. So now there are 9 people inside the party. 9 people are attending the party, and then 1 person left during this hour. So 1 person left. Now there are 8 people. Okay, so our current count will get updated to 8. Okay, and now we will check if current count is greater than maximum count. Is it true? Yes, it is. So our maximum count will also get updated to 8. Now our current count is 8 and maximum count is 8, and we have done 3 iterations. So now our value of I is 3, and we are now doing the 4th iteration. So we will add current count plus entered. So 8 people are already there and 1 person enters again. So there are 9 people and 3 people leaves. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So there were 9, 3 left. So now there are 6 people attending the party. So our current count will be 6. We will check again if it is greater than maximum count. Is it? No, it is not. So our maximum count will stay as 8. Now during the last iteration, that is for the value of I equals to 4, we will come again. We will add this entered of I in current count. So our current count was 6 and then 3 people entered again. So 7, 8 and 9. So 9 people are inside the party and 4 people left. So 4 people will leave, and then now the current count is 5. Okay, so 5 people are attending the party. So our current count will be updated to 5. Is it greater than 8? Is it greater than the maximum count? No, it is not. So our maximum count will stay 8, and then we will print the maximum count. So what was our maximum count? 8. So it was during, so maximum people that were present in a party at particular instance was 8. So 8 is our answer. Okay, as we can see, 8 was our answer. And now I will run it. I will enter the values 5, 7, 0, 5 and 3. So 7, 0, 5, 1, 3. So our first array is filled now. Execution till this 7th line is done. Now 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. So we will enter 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, and you can see 8 is the answer. Okay, so you can try for multiple inputs, and I hope you understood why this works, right? Because you need to understand that current count will means the people will stay in there. So the current, so we need to consider current count. We need to add it in our answer, otherwise we will get the wrong answer if we just do arrive minus left. Okay, I hope you got the point. I hope you got the solution. I will attaching the code in the description section. You can check it out from there, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.